How to make a cheap Dremel tool from a roofing nail. Here we have a common roofing nail we're putting in our Dremel, and we'll show you here how to make a cheap Dremel tool for cutting wood. We're using a pair of 10 snips, and we just clip a small amount around the roofing nail, and this makes a sharp edge, and it's great for cutting wood with your Dremel tool. Most Dremel tools cost maybe $10 to $15 each. Here you can buy a whole box of roofing nails and make your own tools for $2 or $3. This will really save a lot of money in the long run. It's just a simple idea that works. See the edges that we have cut around it? Just a common roofing nail. This really does a good job on cutting wood. That really cuts into the wood. Here's a grizzly bear or a black bear that we started carving. We carved this out of a maple tree. Now we're using our roofing nail Dremel tool to do a little shaping in the mouth. This really works good for not costing very much. This bear is about 5 feet tall, and again, it's a maple tree. It still has to be painted and put some protective coats on it. But this little Dremel tool works really good with a roofing nail. You can cut away the wood, or you can make lines like hair on a bear. That's what we're doing here, making hair on the bear. I'll probably let this carving dry for maybe 6 months before I do any painting on it to make sure it dries out good. This is a roofing nail Dremel tool. It really works great. This is just an idea to help you save a little money. Every little bit helps. Thanks for watching.